Every day, your dealership rings, pings, and walks through the door. Phone leads, internet leads, walk-ins. 3 chances to sell a car. And every day, some of that profit just evaporates. A missed call, a slow reply, a customer nobody greeted. Nobody's stealing it. Nobody even notices. It just disappears. Deal by deal, day by day. That's where we walk in. Me and the sales genius team, straight onto your floor. We sit with your managers and your team. No theory, just the process that took Ken Grody Ford to number 9 nationally. Then we go to work. One of us on the phones, one of us on the internet, leads right beside your team. The leak stops. Every call answered, every lead worked, every walk-in greeted like they already bought the car. And the lot starts emptying the way it should. Sold, sold, sold. That's sales genius, installed in your store.